Sweet and sour pork shoulder steaks in 90 seconds or less. Start with an empty pot, add brown sugar, white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix the dry ingredients thoroughly, then add white vinegar, soy sauce, 2 equal parts of water, and finally 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Stir until combined, then put on the stove and simmer until it reaches this consistency. For our dry rub, add salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chili powder, and cinnamon. Shake until combined thoroughly, and then grab your meat. Sprinkle the dry rub on and rub thoroughly. Coat each side generously. Next, throw some butter and rosemary in a pan. Sear the pork on every side. Ensure to leave no fat unrendered. While the pork finishes cooking, heat up oil in a nearby pot. Add frozen potatoes and fry them until crispy. Plate the pork and the fries. Add some fresh sea salt. Drizzle the sweet and sour sauce over both the pork and the fries. And enjoy. And that's how I made these delicious